In this video, we're going to review Firebase versus Flutter. Which platform is better in this year? So Firebase and Flutter, the truth is they are not direct competitors, but they often compared because developers use them together when building application. So Firebase, created by Google, is a backend platform that takes care of heavy lifting behind the scenes. It offers tools like real-time databases, authentication and cloud storage, analytics, and even hosting. What makes Firebase stand out is how easy it is to get started, especially for small teams or solo developers who don't want to manage servers. The real-time sync is perfect for applications like chat, social feeds, or dashboards. The only drawback is the cost, since expenses can rise as your app scales, but the time it saves is often worth it. So Flutter, on the other hand, also from Google, is a UI toolkit for building beautiful cross-platform apps from a single codebase. With Flutter, you can create application that works on iOS, Android, and web, and even for desktop without starting from scratch each time. Its hot reload features makes development fast, while its custom widgets give application a polished and consistent look across platform. Performance is smooth because Flutter draws its own UI, rather than relying on system components. The downside is that it can feel heavy for a very simple apps, but for polished, multi-platform projects, it's a top choice. Overall, Firebase powers the backend and Flutter powers the frontend. They are not rivals but partners, and when you use both of them together, they make application development faster, smoother, and more enjoyable. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.